Hi, welcome back to Paraholic. Of course, you know this is about parrot, right? Because there are parrots. This is another episode of free flying parrots in the Philippines. Let's go. Ay. Check out who's here today. Oh! Most of the parrots here you can see can fly free. Most, let's say most, because Eli cannot. Because every time he flies, he's gonna fly far away, like on the top of the tree, on the top of the building. Yeah, they're flying. They're flying. And Noah can fly. The hyacinth Noah can fly. And two blue and gold, one harlequin, one buffon, and eclectus. Yeah, blue and gold. Green wing, blue and gold, blue and gold, blue and gold. Yeah. All the birds here, they can fly. Good. Freely fly. And they will come back, yeah. But sometimes they're gonna free themselves to somewhere else. But we have the tracker, we have the GPS, so we can get them back. Like this. This is the Marshall radio. Most of us here, we use Marshall radio because that's the only one reliable. I know there are other devices in the market, but I can only tell you, I have tested Marshall radio comparing to AirTag. I think AirTag is the best kind of tag in the market, not like other Android tag, but still not working if you go to somewhere like open area like this. Not too good mobile signal. Yeah, rural countryside. It's not that good. So we only trust Marshall. Let's take a look at this site. I say it's okay site. You see, it's open area and good sight of view. And also the other side, it's the sea. It's the seaside. In this direction, only some like 2 floor, 3 floor buildings, small buildings. I think it's all good. But if next year this buildings is okay, it's done, I don't think it's good for us to see our birds flying over there. It's okay. Let's take 2 of them to fly. Okay, come on, go. We have another 2 new birds coming. One scarlet and sorry, one harlequin and one Catalina. But they look really much alike. Yeah. The owner of the birds, my friend Bia, is trying to pair them. I think they have already paired. Do you think they already paired or no? Paired. Paired. Yeah.
I don't know. But
You don't know. Okay.
But it really looks like a harlequin.
I mean, they're already paired because there's one male, one female, right?
Pair, yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are already friends.
Okay.
Not biting.
Okay.
But
That's
this
the
is
younger
different.
one, right? The Catalina.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the harlequin. I don't know if you can see it through the lens. One of the birds, he flew there on top of the building. and the owner is already one there to take him back. I can see the owner already grabbed the bird. Yes, rescue. Good. Good. That's part of the job about free flying birds. You need to be ready all the time to rescue your birds from anywhere, on top of the building, in the tree, even in the tree, standing along in the lake. You have to swim. I think Luffy is in heat again. I hope this time he won't plunk anymore. Last time, before he plunked his feather, he was acting like this. And also give me some of his food from his crop. Yeah, just like this. I think this is the way he's showing his affection. Maybe it's time for me to get him a female. No fear. Don't bite, huh? Don't bite, don't plunk. Just be good. I say Noah is the second most friendly birds in our group. The first one is always Eli. Yeah. This is the second. Noah is the second. Noah, go fly with friends.
Okay.
We have small bird to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how many. Yeah, they're flying. Luffy, go. Noah's tired. Noah's back. Noah's coming back. Hey. Noah's coming back. Luffy. I don't know where is Luffy. Go. Luffy's back. Hey. Luffy's back. Good. Go. Still flying. Oh. So great. You know, every time you saw the flies, you feel like you are free. It feels like you are free. I can see actually our birds really like to fly with friends. Yeah, I can see that. Every time they're happy here, seeing other birds and flying with other birds. Oh!